From stuck to smooth, we got you covered. Today, we're going to show you how to fix a stubborn, stuck door that is hitting. You see right up here, this door is hitting on the stubborn corner. We're going to go ahead and get that fixed for you in just a moment. If you haven't tuned into Mr. Greg's How To before, we are a home DIY channel that tries to instill confidence that you can too. You can get these projects accomplished. I have no special skills or anything else, but I'm going to walk you through the basic step by step and show you that this is not an intimidating project at all. So getting back to it, this door has been sticking for a little while and it seems to be sticking more and more and more. And what is over time from weights like this wreath that my wife puts on it that weights down the door, not really just the wreath, but that and kids hanging on the door and just wear and tear, sometimes they'll start to sag. And that will cause you to have this hitting on the upper. You can have other spots where the house moves and you have other spots catching in different areas of the door, but we're going to concentrate today on the upper because that's the most common. Now you may have seen some videos where people come over and they bend these hinges with pliers and all that stuff. That is trickier than what we are going to do. So we're going to show you how this works to get that smooth. Come on over here with me. So basically talk about the loosening up. You're going to have 4 screws on all your hinges. And typically one of them is going to be longer than the other 3. So right here you see you have 3 screws that are one color and that one, and that's probably going to be the long screw. So what we're going to do is we're going to unscrew these and we're going to replace them with longer screws. Now don't take all 4 of them out right away, but you can take a couple. You just need any old drill or driver, and you're going to see that's all it is. It's just the small little screw. So that's not really biting into the door jamb very well, and over time that's going to start to pull out and let it be a little looser. What you have, the reason why it's hitting is because it's pulled out a little and they backed out and it's just not as tight as it needs to be. So then if I would take these other ones, that one's totally stripped and it's also very small again. And then you got these other 2. The way to fix it is to get some larger screws. Now you can use any old screws you got around the house. These are going to be, you can use drywall screws, these are exterior screws, but they're 2.5 inches. You want to get one that's a little bigger than what you had before. And you can only replace 1 or 2 screws to probably work. We're going to replace all 4. So basically let's put this in, screw it in. And then this is that longer one. Now that I have something holding it, see that one also is pre-screwed, and that's all it is. This is a little 1 5/8 inch drywall screw. The new screw we're putting in there is going to bite in much better. It's a much larger screw. So again, you've probably had this problem going on for a little while if you check out this video, and you're going to be surprised at how quick this is to fix. So no magic cuts here. We had 1 more of the old ones. Again, tiny little screw. We're going to take 1 more of these big ones, and you don't have to use all 4 again, like I said, but those are all tight in there. Don't need to over tighten it. You saw the door sticking. Now let's see if it worked, okay? No camera tricks, come on by, get real close, fingers crossed, and no stick. Show you again, easy as that. So, you saw that, non-intimidating project, go ahead, grab your drill, grab some screws, check that out. While you're at it, go ahead and check out some more of our videos to help you show you how to do some neat home tools and tips and tricks and all sorts of things. And with all these videos, remember, if I can do it, you can too. Thanks for watching.